Good morning, students. I'm your first class maths teacher. Today, we are going to continue our previous chapter, that is shapes and space. Let us recall what we have learned in our previous class. What we have learned, students? Solid shapes. How many solid shapes do we have? 5. What are they? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere and cone. So there are 5 solid shapes. We have already seen some example in our surroundings, whatever the solid shapes are there. Say some solid shapes, examples in our surroundings. Cube. We have already gave some examples like Rubik's Cube, dice, yes. Next, coming to the cuboid, duster, blackboard, many examples, yes. Next, coming to circle, ball, cone, ball, coin, etc. Next, coming to cylinder, give some examples which are in cylinder shape: glass, candle, yes. Next, coming to cone, ice cream, yes, and the slices of watermelon. Yes, these are some examples of solid shapes that we can observe in our surroundings. Next, the topic already we have discussed about roll and slide. When you can say particular object rolls, any object which has curved face, then that object is said to be rolling. When you can say that particular object is sliding, when an object has flat face, then you can say that particular object is sliding. Yes, give me some examples of rolling objects. Ball, marble, yes. Next, give some examples of sliding objects. Duster. Why? Because it is having a flat face. Yes. Sharpener. Yes, these are some examples already we have discussed in our previous class. Today, we are going to learn the next topic, that is flat shapes. Already we have studied about the solid shapes. Today, we are going to learn about flat shapes. So, how many flat shapes do we have? The first one is a triangle, circle, rectangle and square. So what is the first flat shape? Triangle. All of you spell the word Triangle. Triangle. So how many sides are there in a triangle? So it is having 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. So whatever the object, if it is having 3 sides, then you can say it is a triangle. Next is a circle. All of you spell the word circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. A circle, it doesn't have any sides. It is called as a circle. Next is a rectangle. When you can say the object is said to be rectangle, if it is having 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. When an object is having 4 sides, it is called as a rectangle. Not only that one, it should have opposite sides equal. The opposite side to 1 is 3. So these 2 sides are equal, and 4 and 2, these are the opposite sides, and these 2 sides are equal. Then only you can say that particular object is a rectangle. All of you spell the word rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Next, the last flat shape is a square. So, how many sides a square has? It is having 4 sides. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, how many sides a square has? It has 4 sides. What is the difference between a rectangle and square? The rectangle is also having 4 sides and square is also having a 4 sides. The main difference between the rectangle and square is, in the square, all the sides, how many sides do a square has? 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, all the 4 sides are equal in square. But coming to rectangle, it is also having 4 sides, but opposite sides are equal in rectangle. For example, see this object and this object. It is a rectangle object. Opposite sides are equal. These 2 sides are equal and these 2 sides are equal. Then only you can say it is a rectangular object. Next, this is a square. What is the shape of the biscuit? It is square. In this, all the 4 sides are equal. When the object is having all the 4 sides equal, then only you can say it is a rectangle. Next, circle. Is this carom board coin is having any sides? No. Then you can say it is a circle. Next, coming to triangle, it is having only 3 sides. For example, you can take a boat. Boat, it is having a shape of a triangle. It is having 3 sides. So, these are all the 4 flat shapes: triangle, circle, rectangle and square. Now, let us identify and name some flat shapes in our surroundings. So, in our surroundings, we are even having different flat shapes. Now, we are going to observe and consider what is that object, whether it is a rectangle, triangle, circle or a square. Now, coming to the rectangular shape. Duster. Think of the duster. How is the shape of the duster? It is a rectangle. In the rectangle, the opposite sides are equal. Next, flag. Flag is also a rectangle in shape. Again, for a flag also you are having opposite sides are equal. Bricks. The bricks which are used for construction of the building, they are also a rectangle in shape. Even some biscuits like Parle-G biscuits, they are also rectangle in shape, in which the opposite sides are equal. We are having many examples, but we have considered few examples among them. Next, consider the circle. In our surroundings, can you give some names which are in circle in shape? Yes, bangle. What is the shape of the bangle? Yes, it is circle in shape. Next, sun. What is the shape of the sun? It is also circle in shape. Next, what is the shape of the coin? It is also circle in shape. Next, wheels of the vehicle. They are also circle in shape. What is this? This is a marble. What is the shape of the marble? It is also circle in shape. What is this? It's a carom board coin. What is the shape of the carom board coin? It is also circle in shape. Orange. What is the shape of the orange? It is circle in shape. Next, triangle. How many sides are there in a triangle? Yes, it is having 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. So, triangle, it is having 3 sides. Can you give some examples in our surroundings? Ice cream. Do you like ice creams? Yes, cone ice cream. What is the shape of that ice cream? It is triangle in shape. Next, boat. What is the shape of the boat upside? It is triangle in shape. And pizza slice. What is the shape of the pizza slice? Actually, full pizza is circle in shape. If you are cutting slices, what is the shape of the pizza slice? It is triangle in shape. Even the watermelon slice, it is also triangle in shape. Next, the last flat shape is a square. How many sides are there in a square? How many sides are there in a square? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 sides in a square and all the 4 sides are equal. Now in our surroundings, you can give some examples which are in square shape. Yes, this is Rubik's cube. All the 4 sides are equal and it is square shape. Next, this is a dice. You will be playing Ludo, snake and ladder with this. What is the shape of this dice? It is also square in shape. That is, all the 4 sides are equal in this one. Next, depending upon this, flat shapes will be doing the match the following. Match the objects with the names of their shapes. So what is this? It's a ball. What is the shape of the ball? What is the shape of the ball? Is it triangle? No. Is it square? No. Is it circle? Yes, the shape of the ball is circle. Next, our Indian flag. What is the shape of our Indian flag? It is a rectangle in shape. When you can say it is a rectangle, it should have opposite sides are equal and how many sides it should contain? 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, what is this object? Yes, it is a carom board. What is the shape of the carom board? It is square in shape. How you can say it is a square? Because it is having 4 sides and all the sides are equal. So it is a square object. Next, what is this one? It is triangle. What is this object? It is a triangle. Yes, students, is it clear? All the flat shapes, and we have seen some examples and we have completed the match the following also based on this flat shape. Now, we have to write R for the objects that rolls and S for the objects that slides. Now, what is this object? It is a cube. This cube is having a flat shape or the curved shape. It is having a flat shape. This cube is having a flat shape. So, the object which is having flat shape, you have to write S for the object that slides. Next, what is this object? It is a ball. Ball is having which shape? It is having a curved face. It's a marble. Is it having a curved face? Yes, then it rolls. Whatever the object that rolls, we have to write R for the object that rolls. Next, what is this? It is a bat. It is having a flat shape or the curved shape. It is having a flat shape. The objects which are having flat shapes, will they slide or roll? They will slide. So you have to write S. Students, is it clear all the flat shapes, solid shapes and roll and slide? Yes, do this homework, this rolling and sliding objects and match the following. Meet you all in the next classes. Thank you.